All right, let's take a look at the Shadow Cruiser 195 WBS that just showed up on trade. Great little camper in really good shape. It's 22 feet long, so easily towable. And it's got the electric tongue jack in the front. Batteries right there. It's got LED light strip in the front. And speaking of LED light strips, it's one of the only brands that puts a strip the whole way down in the storage area. You see that lights up the whole way down. It's all enclosed, all finished inside there. Aluminum frame, plywood, not particle board. It's got the nice aluminum rims right there. Decals are great. I mean, it's a 2018, so everything's in good shape. It's got LED lights on the awning. It's electric awning. Outside marine grade speakers. 6-gallon DSI water heater right there. Full-size spare tire in the back. One slide right here, and all your stuff's in one spot. So your satellite and cable hookups are separate. Spray port, black tank flush right there. Your plug-in comes with the cord, and then your dump system is right there. Nice big sliding window. That's the other side of your pass-through storage right there. And we'll swing around to the front. And we'll go inside, check out the layout. So it's got a queen walk-around bed. Plugs on each side of the bed, USB port. USB port right over the top, and there's a shelf right there. Hanging storage on each side, storage above. Like I say, those nice big windows. Comes with the folding table. That couch makes into a bed. It's nice and fluffy, very comfortable. Some extra storage on each side of the nice big window. And, you know, if you could tell in the picture, it's got the nice tall rounded ceiling. Furrion. Looks like a CD, DVD player kind of a deal. USB port on there. Comes with the TV. More storage down below. Thermostat for the heat. Into the foot flush toilet in the bathroom. It's got a nice tall neo-angle stand-up shower with the skylight. Storage right there. Towel hangers. Your fan, ducted air conditioning into the bathroom. It also has ducted heat down here, you can see that. And then sink in the bathroom. And there's storage in here too. They got the really good hinges on everything. Medicine cabinet. Swinging around here. Gas electric fridge. Been kept really well. Storage right here. Nice big stainless steel sink. I believe it has the pull-out sprayer. Yes, it does. Makes doing dishes easier. Your microwave right there. More storage over the top. And one thing Shadow Cruiser does is they list all the phone numbers if you have any issues right there that you can get a hold of somebody directly. Working windows over the sink and on each side right there. So there it is. Very clean camper. Lights up underneath there. I'll try to step back so you can get a good look at her. But it's been well kept. It's going to treat you good. Come over to Venture RV. We'll take good care of you. Gas electric water heater, which is nice. Your slide in and out, awning extension, cap lights, all the switches are right here, porch light. All right, come check it out. Thank you.